Egypt is a country in North Africa on the Mediterranean Sea and is among the oldest civilizations on Earth. The name Egypt comes from the Greek Aegyptus, which was the Greek pronunciation of the Egyptian name. In the early Old Kingdom, Egypt was simply known as Kemet, which means black land, so named for the rich, dark soil along the Nile River where the first settlements began. This evidence, along with artifacts discovered, points to a thriving agricultural civilization in the region at the time. As the land was mostly arid even then, hunter-gathering nomads sought the cool of the water source of the Nile River Valley and began to settle there sometime prior to the 5500th of BCE. Organized farming began in the region c. the 5000th of BCE, and communities known as the Badari culture began to flourish alongside the river. The most famous form of Egyptian technology are the pyramids. The truth about how they are built are still unknown. Built over 4,000 years ago and still stands today. Egyptian had two methods of telling time: water clock, sundial. The doctors of ancient Egypt combined magic spells with remedies. If a person fell sick, the illness was thought to be caused by the wrath of the gods or by an evil spirit that had entered the body. Both priests and doctors were called upon to heal the sick, combining their powers and skills to fix the problem. Horus I fraction system. This is an ancient Egyptian way of doing math. They took the Horus I, divided it into fractions, and that is now they did some math. They used this system to measure fractions of grains. Math was used to solve problems like how many bricks were used in the house or the height of the pyramid buildings. Hieroglyphics. This is an ancient form of writing created by the Egyptians. They used symbols to represent words. The Rosetta Stone is an ancient artifact that helps us decode these meanings and understand about hieroglyphics. The ancient Egyptians were amazing scientists. They created many inventions using alchemy, metallurgy, and astronomy, or even glass making. Improvements in scientific knowledge strategically changed the operations of the inhabitants of the ancient kingdoms. Their way of life was considerably improved through these advancements in both scientific and technological precepts.